Gambling addiction, how to get rid of it. There are many vices lurking in the society today, one of which is gambling. What's even worse is the fact that people who are so hooked up with gambling have the tendency to get addicted to it. Addiction is a serious social issue that society is still trying to muster. With gambling addiction, gamblers just don't lose money but life and family as well. That is why it is extremely important to solve the problem. In reality, there are available measures and methods so as to treat gambling addiction. Some of which are 1. Through medications. Usually, gambling addicts are treated through medications in the form of antidepressants or what medical experts call as serotonin reuptake inhibitors or the SSRR. This medication has been proven to treat pathological gamblers or those who feel the blow whenever they win. 2. Through psychological treatments. Most psychologists contend that the problem of gambling addiction is often associated with a problem on their cognitive behavior. Hence, it would be better to let the gambling addicts undergo cognitive behavior therapy. In this process, the gambling addicts are taught how to get rid of the negative ideas and replace them with positive ones. 3. Through group therapy. Group discussions are also effective in treating gambling addiction. Through this method, gamblers will get to interact and discuss their own personal problems that led them to gambling. One great advantage of this therapy is that gamblers get to listen to other gamblers' stories. They will be able to understand some angles that may sound just like their very own situations, but were unable to identify them because of the feeling of rejection or shame. Gambling addiction must be stopped at once. It has already dominated the society and even perpetuated the problem among college students. In 2004, the Annenberg Public Policy Center at the University of Pennsylvania has reported that 11.4% of their male students are fond of betting cards at least once a week. This was deemed alarming because they had only 6.2% on the previous year's report, which made it an increase of 84% in just 1 year. Moreover, according to the Journal of Gambling Studies, gamblers who are college students make up 1.6% of the total population. It may seem little at first, but the fact that the percentage is gradually increasing is enough to cause alarm. So, the best way to treat gambling addiction is to lessen the chances of playing. This is because the more people can play, the greater chances they get addicted.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.